Let's continue with our application. In this tutorial, we want to create a product form and we want to add a product. Now, first thing, let's return to Visual Studio Code. Let's close all. And let's open productlist.html. And let's find the button. Here is the button, and let's add some click event. Click will be a redirect add product. And we don't have this function in productlist.ts. Let's create it. It will be empty function for now, and let's go to the product service. Let's create a redirect add product, and we'll just type this dot router dot navigate products add product. That means that we will need to create route and also product form component. First, let's clear this screen. And let's generate component inside the products, components, products, product form will be the name of the component. The component has been created, and let's edit app navbar. Let's save. And now in the app routing module, let's define this route. That will be products add product, and the component will be product form component. Let's save this, and in the product list.ts we still have redirect add product, which is empty function. Let's just call this dot product service redirect add product. Now we will see if this is working. We have problem in, yes, we forgot comma in app routing module. Let me go back to the app routing module. Let's type a comma. And let's go to the add product, and you will see product form works, which is great. Now I will close all. And let's open product form. Product form.html, and I will also open product class. I will remove this default text, and let's create a div. Class will be container, margin top 5, and let's give it a margin bottom, not top, it will be bottom, 100 pixels. And we will type just product form. I suppose that it will work normally. And now let's create a form, but before, let's give this margin bottom 5 to separate it from the form. Now let's create a form. And let's create a form group. Let's see the fields. Okay, we need a product brand and model. Let's start. A label for brand. And let's type input. Type will be text. ID will be, we will type product brand. That will be the name too. Placeholder will be enter product brand. Class will be form control. And we need ng model. Will be product dot product brand. I have error because I haven't created a product in the product form TS. Let's go to the product form TS. Let's just create a product to avoid this error. And we will initialize it as a new product. Now the error should be gone. And now let's create, also inside this div form group, we need a span for a validation. ID will be product brand error. Class will be text danger, and style we will give it visibility to hidden. And text will be not empty. I need to look in the product DTO. Okay. Maximum 50 letters allowed. I think that will be okay. That's okay, and I will separate it from the form tag. Now, to avoid typing a lot, I will paste this div. I will copy and I will paste it, and I will change it for the product model. Here will be model, ID will be product model, name also will be product model, enter product model, form control, and the ng model will be product model, and span, it will be product model error, and the rest should be okay. Now the next, we have a product brand and model. We need a description and price. I will just paste 2 times, I can use the same. Here will be description, ID will be description, name will be also description. We can type enter short description for placeholder, and ng model will be product.description. And let's change it to description error. And I want to see in the back validation for description, it's 100 letters. Let's change it to 100. And the next field will be for price. ID will be price, name will be price, enter product price, and ng model will be product.price. And here we will type price error. And for example, we can type minimum 10 euros. And let's see the next one. Model, description, price, image URL, and category. Now let's create a category. Product form.html. Let's create another div. Class will be form group. A label will be category. And here it will be select. It will not be input. We need to select category. And now let's give it ID. ID will be, what's the name? It will be category ID. Name will be also category ID. Let's give it a class. And value will be temp category dot category ID. But it will not be value, it will be also ng model here. And it will be product.category ID. And we will have the value in the option. Now let's have the option, and let's have default value first disabled. Selected value will be, yes, that will be empty string, and we will just type select category, and let's open another option tag. I don't know, let's try to do it in the ng. I will see if I can open it in the option. I will see. ng4 let temp category and I will create ng4 off equals to category list. It will not accept. Okay, it's only supported in ng template. Let's try to create ng template. And let's copy this entire. What's the problem now? Okay, now the problem is I don't have category list. And let me also copy this option tag. Product form TS, let's create category list to avoid this error. It will be category array and it will be equal to array. Now the error should be gone. Yes. And we will just type here in the option, it will be temp category dot name. This will be the option, but we also need to define a value. Value will be temp category dot category ID. I'm not sure if it will gonna work properly, we will see later. And also let me check, we have a create time and update time is not part of the form. We need also to provide image URL. And I will use description. Where is the description? It's here. I will copy entire div I will paste it here and I will change it. And I forgot also a span tag for category. Let me finish this first. After this select, I also need a span tag, I forgot. Let's give it ID. It will be category ID error. Style will be visibility hidden, and class will be text danger. And we can give it a text. Please select a category. We will see will it work or no. The last one is image URL. Or image link. We can. ID will be image URL. Name will be image URL. We can type enter image link. It will be form control. Product dot image URL, and here it will be image URL error will be ID, and here will be 255 because this is the validation for image URL in the back. And now we just need a button, text center. It will be inside a div. Let's give it margin top 5, and inside will be button, can be class will be button primary. We forgot type of the button. Type will be submit. And I think that should be fine. We will see how it works. Probably if we have some errors, we will resolve them. Let me see the form. Enter product brand, product model, product description, product price. Category, of course, we don't have categories available, and image link, which this looks good for now, but of course we don't have any event. If we click on submit, nothing will happen because we need to define a function for that. Let's create a function, and also where is the form? We need to type ng submit. It will be add product. And now we will have error because we don't have this function. Let's go to the product service first. Let's define this. I want to define two functions, and let me see, I don't have product here. I will also create a product equals to new product, and I will create two functions. First, I will create set product, temp product. It can be product. We don't need to type any. And this dot product that we have initialized, we will be equals to temp product. And now let's create add product function, and it can be asynchronous function. And now we will type await. We will resolve. We will not return. We will have a promise and we will resolve it. Axios.post, and we will have it will be target URL store product. And now let's open the body. Let's start step by step. Let's go to the products. First, product brand. And we will use this dot product product brand. The same will be for product model. This dot product product model. The next one will be description and price. Description. This dot product description. Price. This dot product price, and we need on image URL and product and category ID. Image URL, this dot product image URL, and category ID, this dot product category ID. I think that should be fine. And now we need then and catch event. First, let's resolve then. Let's create function. We will just call this dot redirect all products if everything is okay, and the catch event will be, we will just throw some, or we can define simple alert failed. And that should be fine. Now I think that we still have error because add product doesn't exist in the product form.ts. Let's resolve it. Let's define in the product form ts add product function, and we need a constructor. Let's have private product service, which will be product service. Let's close the body, and before we need to use this product to set this product. We are providing form for this product, and we need to set this product first to product service. This dot product service set product, and we will use this dot product, and now we will just call the function this product service at product, and we will see if it will gonna work. Probably not, because we haven't provided validation, but let's see if submit event will work. Catch block should appear. We also don't have categories. Now we'll just try to see if submit event will work. Of course it's failed because we are trying to provide empty object, and response should be the data is not validated, which is this is what we have expected. First thing that we need to do, we will need to provide validation, and also we need to have categories here. Now if we want we can provide all the fields, but we cannot provide category. We need to select one of the existing categories. That means that we will need to load them, but we will continue in the next tutorial.